I'm really glad you're here. If you're watching this video now, it means you've already done the hardest part, which is simply to just start. My name is Brenda Lau. I'm an anesthesiologist and a pain specialist and a hypnotherapist. I've been practicing for over 25 years, but where my real experience comes from is my over 50 years as a patient. Metastatic thyroid cancer, big abdominal tumor surgery, osteoporosis, the whole menopause transition, osteoarthritis, and living through all that really shed a lot of light in the difference in what medicine tells us and how we experience it. And so I produce this program, this Start Here program, not as a physician to give some instructions, but as a person to person who's lived through that gap and how it's actually changed my entire practice in medicine, but also how I live in my own body. So over the next 4 weeks, I hope to work together with you to go through 4 major things, what I call the pillars, the foundations of setting the stage for health. The first is the mind. Second, sleep. Third, nutrition. And fourth is movement. So every week, these pillars are actually going to be introduced. But we're going to start off with a video like this, and then we'll kind of deep dive into each topic just a little bit more. I want to shed some insights that isn't just your standard things that you read out there, because it's a combination of what I've learned, what I've lived, what my patients have experienced, and the science that we're trying to understand, and how it might be applying for you. So you're going to see in this PDF a number of different tools. For example, the tools related to that topic, but maybe there's also a checklist that you might use, not as a to-do list, but as a way to raise awareness for yourself. And it's that awareness that's going to make all the difference in bringing that sensation, that understanding back into the body. And this is where you really get in touch with your health. So I'm super excited to do this with you. I did this because I did it myself, having to start over again as a patient. And all of this is inspiring me to see health very differently and hopefully showing you some ways to overcome the barriers along the way. So before you open this guide, I just want to say the 1 minute, 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, is literally a gateway opener. It's a real physiological trigger. The mind works in mysterious ways, and once you start giving it a path, the body follows. So you don't need to be perfect. You don't even need to be ready. You just need to begin. And you know what? You've just done it. So congratulations. I'm so excited to join you on this journey, and thank you for your trust. Welcome to week 1 shortly. As you open up into that first video, we'll see you soon on that next step.